I've got a cabinet here and I got some adjustable shelves in here. Here's the cabinet. There's one adjustable shelf. There's another adjustable shelf up there. Now there was only two that came in this cabinet. Now are you limited to that and just space them out evenly? No. If you look at your cabinet really close, most cabinets, you see these holes here? You can put more little clips in here. You can line them up wherever you want and push them in and make your shelves in the right place, okay? But I want to add another shelf. How am I going to do that? Plus, you see that shelf there? The laminate is coming all off it. And I don't want to try to glue that or take that off and leave the cabinet shelf unfinished with laminate on there. So I'm going to take that out and I'm going to replace that. Now, you can go to the store and you can get adjustable shelving material, you know, long white melamine shelving. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this piece out right here. I'm going to measure it and I'm going to get a piece for that, and then I'm going to add another one there. See this shelf? This adjustable shelf right here, as a matter of fact, that is a piece of MDF laminate that came from the hardware store, and I cut it to fit. It was a little bit deeper, so I cut the backside off because it comes pre-finished with one edge. Then I can put two more in there. So yes, you know, it's not that hard. Go to the store and get your shelving and add more shelves, because I wanted to utilize the space in this cabinet, and the only way I could figure out how to do that based on the stuff that I had in there was to add another shelf. Now, sometimes maybe that's not going to work for you, but when you need one, you can do it. Now what if your cabinet on the inside edge, what if it doesn't have these holes? You might think, they only had a couple, and one was down low and one was up high with adjustable 1, 2, 3, but not all the way along there. What now? Well, you could buy some clips and screw them on there, or you could measure where you want your shelf. You could drill. Get yourself some drill bits, drill some holes in there, line them up. You're going to have to measure really good, and then you can put in your own clips. Make your own adjustable shelf. Now see that adjustable shelf clip right there? What you want to do is you want to go to the store and check your shelves out and see what kind of clips you have. They don't all look like that. There's 3 or 4 different ones. So go to your hardware store before you go there. Don't just pick up anything willy-nilly. I mean, I like to try to match everything the best I can. So before I went to the store, I lifted this shelf up, took one of those clips out and took that to the store. And you know what? 9 out of 10 times, they'll match it up. You might be saying, that might be fine and dandy, Joe, but the stuff I've seen at the store like this is 8 foot long. Well, and you don't have a truck, probably, and it's probably hard to get that in the car, right? Well, look around. Sometimes they sell those in 6 foot lengths and also 4 foot lengths. Okay, so look at that. Now, if you can only find 8 foot at your store, what you want to do is you want to measure your shelves out, determine how many you can get out of an 8 foot piece, and ask the hardware store if they'll cut that for you. Now, they may not want to cut it exactly to the 1/16 of an inch for you, because they may say, oh, we can't guarantee if it's square or if it's the right size. So if they say that, and if this is 28 inches long, have them cut it 30 inches long. Then when you get it back to your house, you take your skill saw and you can cut it exactly how you need. Okay? Just a tip for you. You're probably wondering what I had in the bottom of that cabinet too. More shelves. Now see, this one here only had 2 adjustable shelves too. And I added a 3rd one, but what I did, see this top one? It's all pulling apart. If you got damaged shelving, such as that, you can replace all of them. Or if you got 2 bad ones, you want 3, get 3 new ones. I replaced these 2 and I went to the hardware store. This started lifting up. I thought, enough of that. That looks tacky, it looks hokey. I'm supposed to be Video Joe, you know? I'm supposed to have everything looking nice and pretty. So that's what I did. I went to the store and I got one for that shelf. And I got one for there and replaced that one there. So I got 3 more shelves. When I get done, it's gonna look nice. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it.